All right, looking at question 1 here, right? The drawing of the building shown below, it has a scale of 1 inch equals 30 feet. So what it says, what is the actual height of the feet in feet of the building? So we have 1.25 inches. Well, think about our scale here. Everything starts with a scale, 1 inch equals 30 feet. Well, we want to know what 1.25 inches is. Well, think about it. 1 inch times 1.25 equals 1.25, correct? So we multiply the top by 1.25, we multiply the bottom by 1.25. We're maintaining similar fractions here. So nothing changes. So 30 times 1.25 is 37.5 feet. So there's our height. Let's move on to the next one. Uh, next slide, slide 2, boom. All right, next one. A lot of you got the first one correct. You saw the scale, 1 inch equals 4 feet. You put that in there. Here's our scale. And we said that, okay, we know if the width of the parking lot is 22 inches. So if it's 22 inches, well, then we can figure out how many feet that is. Well, 1 times 22 is 22, because we already know what the inches are. So 4 feet times 22, well, if we go at our answer here, 4 times 22 is 88. So the width is 88 feet. Now, the second part of here is where most of you had problems. And so I'll address about that one. Now, think about it. Now, many of you may have got confused because you may have been stuck thinking that you have to have square feet based on 88 feet. But that whole previous problem said if the width were 22 inches. Now we're saying here we're given that, hey, here's your area. Well, think about it. To find area, you have to have a length and a width. Well, think of two numbers that times each other would equal 660. Now I chose 10 times 66, but I could just as easily have chosen 2 times 330 and still gotten the same answer, the correct answer. But I chose to go with the easiest route. And so I need to find this dimension in feet and this dimension in feet based off of that original scale. That's why I kept the scale here, 1 inch equals 4 feet. So if 1 inch equals 4 feet, and we want to figure out what 66 inches is, well, 4 times 66 is 264. If I want to know, the 10 inches, well, 1 times 10 is 10, so I can multiply the 4 times 10. Now, when we look at this, right, 264 times 40, because remember, we're going to do width times the length in feet, and that gives us 10,560 square feet. All right, let's go to the last problem here. All right, okay. Okay, a civil engineer creates a scale model of a rectangular park. The model has a width of 8 centimeters and covers an area of 96 square centimeters. So here's our original thing. We're given this width, and we're given the actual area. Well, think to yourself, 8 times what equals 96? Or 96 divided by 8, well, that equals 12. So we know that this is going to be 12 centimeters. So we had to figure that part out, 12 centimeters. And we bring that back in here. We're figuring this part here. But before we go into this, let's think about what our scale. We're told that 8 centimeters is now equal to 72 meters. So 8 centimeters is now going to be 72 meters. Again, when you have ratios, you got to simplify them. You have to simplify them. So 8 over 72 simplifies to 1 over 9 because you divide top by 8 and bottom by 8. 8 times 9 is 72. So we bring that scale into effect here. So if we know 1 is to 9, well, 1 times 12 equals 12 centimeters because we already figured out the 12 centimeters from here. 9 times 12 is 108. So we have 72 meters and we have 108 meters. 108 meters times 72 meters because length times width equals area gives us 7,776 square meters. And so that's where your answer is. All right. Hope that helps. Oh, I want to get rid of this. See that? There. So you see it a little bit better. All right. Out here.